So you woke up with a stiff neck. Well, maybe it's the pillow or maybe it's whatever, something you did, but this is really a practice that's going to get things moving in the neck and shoulder region. So let's go. So we're going to start in a standing position. I would take a minute to just roll through the foot forward and back, just to find your balance. So try to equalize the weight distribution across the front of the foot, the back of the foot, and both sides. And place your hands by your side. And just dropping into your breath for a moment and allowing the weight to sort of find its way over the heels, grow tall through the crown of the head, and start to stack. Find our plumb line. So the center of the ear stacking over the shoulder. Sometimes it takes a little adjustment to swing back, lifting the sternum upwards towards the sky, knitting the ribs in, and just tucking the tail slightly down. And then from there, soften the back of the knees. If you find that you're hyperextending your knees, just put a softening there. Inhale to breathe the arms up. Exhale to bring them down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And now we're going to interclasp the fingers, it doesn't matter which way, and grab for the back of the skull, just this occipital ridge here. Just slide the hands up, cradling the back of the head. Now inhale to get nice and tall. Now exhale, take the weight of the arms, elbows forward, and start to just round through the cervical spine. Take a moment to pause anywhere where it feels stiff, and then you're going to just sway right then left. Stay heavy in your heels here, and then find your center, and then roll through the spine to come up. Good. And then we're going to do just a gentle back bend. Bring your gaze past the tip of your nose. Maybe tuck your tail under, lift the chest up towards the sky. Exhale, coming into a second round. So we're going to roll down. Maybe we find ourselves coming one vertebrae further. Maybe not. We go, just find the place that feels tight and then start to wiggle around there. Now we're not pressing into the head. We're just using the weight of our own upper body to add a little bit of resistance. And then as you start to loosen up a bit, you can explore more depth. Inhale to breathe your way up. Exhale to come into a gentle back bend. Inhale, third round. Exhale, start the descent. Keep that softening in the back of the knee. Don't rush to get down. The point isn't to get low. We're not doing a hamstring stretch. We're really just trying to find any stiff sections across our trunk, starting at the top of the spine and working our way down. So you could pause in your mid-back. If that's feeling a little bit more inaccessible, and come back to your upper back. This is very spontaneous, very individualized to what your body needs this morning or this afternoon. I suppose you could do this before bed too, to potentially free yourself up before you hit the pillow. Good, and then we'll bring the arms down. Just turning your head to the right and then the left. Just test. Good. Now from here, we're going to come into some neck mobility. So we're going to start by taking a 45-degree turn of the head, and then we're going to shift to an incline. So your nose goes from here and then points forward again, and then we're going to round it back. So don't crunch, but just think of lengthening the back of the neck as you swing it around. And drop to the opposite side. Turn 45 degrees and bring it back down. So it's going to scoop down chin to chest. So let's try a few of those. Inhale, exhale, drop the chin to the chest. Take your 45, find your incline, rolling all the way back to the opposite side. Think of dropping the opposite shoulder, releasing any tension, and then coming back to center. And let's do the other side. So we'll take chin to chest, bring it over to the left, find your incline, ear to shoulder, rolling all the way through. And then once you kind of get your angles figured out, then you can start to just be a little more fluid with it. Really trying to isolate the movement of the neck. And then coming back up. Now we're going to allow for a little involvement of the shoulders. So let's do that same action. Drop the chin into the chest, 45 degrees, incline all the way back, 45, chin to chest, and up. And we'll take the other side, chin to chest, 45, all the way to the side, and around, and up. Good, and let's do a little test again. See how that's feeling. Feeling a little bit more mobilized there, that's great. Let's do one more check-in on our forward roll. So press the head into the clasped hands, and maybe we reverse the clasp to the funny way, the non-dominant grip, just to keep things balanced. Soften the back of the knees. Exhale, start to round down. Now start to let the weight of the arms do its thing. And then pause where it feels tight and start to just sway the hips from right to left. Breathing into the side body that's lengthening. So it's like press the right knee back, press the left knee back, and you can let one hip sort of take the lead just to find some space. Breathe into those areas that are tight. Deep breath in, exhale to come up. Let's do one more back bend, lifting the heart up to the sky. Good, and arms come back down. Let's do some shoulder rolls here. So, hopefully those problematic pillows are feeling resolved and you have a little bit more freedom in your neck and shoulders. Thanks for practicing with me. Have a great day. Pain-free. I hope you enjoyed that practice. Just a quick word to say, if you're enjoying practicing with me and you want to support the development of this channel, I would love if you would subscribe so that you receive notifications of my new videos dropping regularly, and also maybe like a few. It's all very helpful, and I'm so glad that you're here practicing together.